Hello everybody, it is May 27th, 2018. Happy Memorial Weekend. I got my 1958 Johnson FD-12 18 horse on the Sea Nymph today. I'm out on Manistee Lake in Kalkaska County, Michigan, and giving this one a run. I ran this one on the pond about a year ago, and I was having some issues getting the carburetor dialed in, and I ended up swapping the carb on this one, and it's dialed in and running good now. So it's had everything. It's got the full tune-up. It had good coils in it when I got it, but it's gotten points, condensers, plugs, wires. Of course, the carburetor replaced and rebuilt. This one had good gear case seals. It doesn't leak. And I am running a 3-blade Michigan wheel bronze prop on it here today. I also ran the stock weedless prop, and not a whole lot of difference. I probably gained about a half a mile per hour with the Michigan wheel. But anyway, it's got a new impeller in it, and it's had everything else done to it. Probably could use a little cleanup yet, but don't look too bad. Pretty good running motor. Give you a little show on this one and see how it does. It's kind of breezy out here today. Quite a bit of boat traffic, so I got some waves. I've seen 22, running pretty close to 22 miles an hour. Idler down here. Reverse. Back into forward. All right, that'll do it on this one. I'll try to run another one today, or maybe two. We'll see. I brought 3 up with me, so we'll see if I can get them all in. Till next time, thanks for watching. Keep your prop out of the mud.